Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade pickles with cucumbers. First, select fresh, firm pickling cucumbers, ideally 3 to 5 inches long. Wash them thoroughly under cool water. Next, trim about 1/4 inch from both ends of each cucumber. Finally, slice your cucumbers into spears or rounds, depending on your preferred pickle shape. This preparation ensures your pickles will be crisp and flavorful. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water, 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of pickling salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir until the salt and sugar dissolve. Add your favorite pickling spices, like fresh dill, garlic cloves, and mustard seeds for extra flavor. Bring this mixture to a boil, then remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. With your cucumbers and brine ready, it's time to jar them. Tightly pack your prepared cucumber slices into clean, sterilized glass jars. Next, carefully pour the warm brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are completely submerged. Tap the jars gently to release any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean and securely seal them with new, clean lids. This step is crucial for proper preservation. Once your jars are sealed, let them cool completely at room temperature. After cooling, transfer your homemade pickles to the refrigerator. This helps them develop their full flavor and maintain their satisfying crunch. For the best quality and taste, plan to enjoy your delicious homemade pickles within 2 months. They make a fantastic snack or a zesty addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.